Welcome guys, welcome to the channel. True Jamaican Vibes, Fire Reid. So today I am in St. Elizabeth. Beautiful St. Elizabeth Parish. You know what I'm called? St. Elizabeth, the bread basket. Yeah man, so big up on yourself anywhere when I watch from yard and abroad. You can big up on yourself. So I'm giving an update in the Top Hill area. Yeah man, you know Top Hill area in St. Elizabeth. And I go Southfield them side there. Yeah man, Kincaid. So I'm giving an update of the place where I go on. Yeah man, so you can leave in the comment section. Tell me what you think about this area. Very nice area. Very nice climate in this area. Yeah man, so you can indicate where you're watching from. Big up on yourself. So when you're in the Top Hill area, very near to Monroe also, close to Junction town. So the closest town to Top Hill area would be where you go do your shopping like on the weekend. You can go to the Junction town area. But you know in Jamaica we have a lot of corner shop, same way. And we have a little square, we have a square in the Top Hill area. We have a little supermarket there too. So you can go there and do your shopping. Know a lot of people scared to travel to Jamaica, but Jamaica always nice. Beautiful. Yeah man, you have to look out for them big truck here, you know. On your right you have the Jehovah's Witness Church. Jehovah's Witness Church in Top Hill. When you come here on Sunday daytime, you can get your curry goat also up on your right. Yeah man, some nice curry goats. You know Jamaica love them curry goat on a Sunday. Curry goat and white rice with your vegetable. Very nice area. If you want your ground food, you can just drive come down a local stall right here. Them sell them potato, cabbage. Yeah man, right over the shop right here. If you don't want to no ground product, can come right to the shop right here, so tell us Jamaica nice. Can't stop stress it, you know. Yeah man, so I just take up a hand of planting. Yeah man, was a planting porridge, nice a morning time. So let's go on our journey. Yeah man, so can leave in the comment section if you know them area. Make we know go on. Them say no parish no nice like St. Elizabeth's. Big up yourself, JJ. Big up yourself, Bam Bam. Big up on yourself. So if you want to know Jamaica, this is the right channel you're on. If you want to know Jamaica, because a lot of people swear to them know Jamaica and only hear about some places. Never get the chance to tour it, only hear about it. And a lot of people want to come back to Jamaica, come build a house, buy a house, but they don't know the area. So at least you have an understanding about this area. And also you have an auto sale. I think it's the BM auto sale. You can come check out the car mart here. So they have a lot of nice vehicle over there. So you all can check it out. So when you're in this area, you also can get a nice view over into the, I think it's the Manchester area, one place them call name Rose Hill. So with them windmill, also can get a nice view in that area. Yeah man, so now have to be very careful. Now have to look out for the pothole them and thing, you know. Because you don't want to chop a tire. Most if you chop a tire, it will cause a lot of money to do the repair, because tire is very expensive all over the world, not only Jamaica alone. So when you come to the Top Hill area, you all can go to Junction town. Yeah man, Junction town. You will see a lot of browning over there. Yeah man, this is reality. You all need to check it out. see a lot of tomatoes, sweet pepper, cabbage. You know, say a pear season now in Jamaica. See a lot of pear. You know, say ripe bull and pear, nice. Can come by a little corner so get to no coconut. Yeah man, freshly picked coconut. On your left, you have the tile or us. So if you want your tile and your bathroom fixtures, you all can come to tile or us. Yeah man, remember to like up the video. If you learn something about St. Elizabeth, Jamaica, can also subscribe. So we're now in the place them call it Ballas Valley. Ballas Valley, yeah man. When you're up on the street now, if you look out for the bike riders them, you know. Look out for the bike riders them. Look out for them. So a long time I do them routes here, so I'm giving an update what I go on them side here. You know things change a lot like every day in Jamaica. You see something new. New building, plaza putting up and everything. So this video is from Top Hill to Junction town. As you can see the sign, where you are now entering Junction. Also have a guest house in this area. So we're now in Junction town. Yeah man, so you can look out for part 2 of the video of Junction town. So guys, thank you for watching the channel. True Jamaican Vibes, Fire Reid.